This video is to demonstrate how to load your plotter drivers and do a test cut in the Induction Cut software. Once you're logged into your account, go to the parts search screen and do a search for a vehicle in the drop-down menus on the left side of the screen. Once a vehicle has been selected, all the parts for that vehicle will be populated in the center of the screen. You can go to any part pictured and open it by clicking on the part number. Once the part is opened, you can select any parts on the screen by simply clicking on it. And when you do, you'll notice that the part becomes highlighted in red. Anything highlighted on the screen in red will be cut. You'll notice a few parts here are not highlighted. In order to highlight them all, we can simply put a box around the entire pattern. And now everything is red and can be cut. From this screen, go to the Production Manager, which is under the icon Plot Selected. And you'll see a preview of your part. And this also gives you the opportunity to select your plotter. Under Plotter Configuration, you can load a plotter for the first time or change to a different plotter that you have installed on your computer. To change it or load it, click the Change button, which opens Plotter Configuration. From the plotter selection screen, you can open the drop-down menus and see every port that has something loaded on it. And you can select a different plotter or the one you've just installed or would like to install at this time. So we'll select the FC8600 GraphTech machine. The plotter communication protocol can be either HPGL or GPGL, depending on what your plotter communicates in. When that's been properly selected, click OK. And now you'll see the new plotter has been added and selected to be used for this cut. At this time, you'll want to make sure your plotter has been loaded with material and is in the ready position to receive communication from the software. If it is, you can simply go to the plot button in the lower right corner and send the cut to the machine. We hope this helps you better understand how to load plotter drivers and do a test cut in the Induction Cut software.